I think you do it for my reason.